Alright, in today's model review, we are going to be taking a look at the International 4900 series straight truck. So this one's a red truck right here, and let's take a look at it. So I'm not too experienced on trucks. I know a little bit about school buses and city buses, but I'm not really a truck smart kind of person. And it's, so I don't think this thing opens back here, but this is a really nice model. Yeah, it's a really nice model. So, I believe this thing was made in 1996, 1997. Should say on the bottom. 1997. First gear. I believe they also make garbage truck models too. I'm not really too sure about that. But yeah, this is a really cool model. And like I said, I'm not really experienced on truck models that much. I mean, you've seen the UPS review, but as far as like, trucks like these, I'm not super knowledgeable on them, but I bought this one mainly for the sole purpose of making like a bus yard video that I might make one of these days once I get enough bus models. And it's just going to be like in the background, I guess, but yeah. And what's that say? Right there. International. Just zoom out a little bit. And just take one more 360. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.